My name is Pierre Zimmermann. I'm originally from Alsace in France. We moved to Chicago 15 years ago. I'm the fourth generation baker in my family and we do bread since ever. But I discovered Chicago and fell in love with Chicago. This means that after many years coming back and forth, we decided to move and to open La Fournette in Chicago. This is what we did like 12 years ago now. It's a pure French bakery specialized in bread, baguette of course, croissants, macarons, very French products. We do it the most traditional way with long fermentation processes, no dough conditioners, no preservatives, nothing. Definitely the real artisan way, and it is what made our success. We are right now a small team with 50 bakers, and we produce breads and macarons for Chicago and the suburbs, and it looks like they are very happy with us. People expect the best baguette of the city and the best croissant of the city, and we try every single day to do that. That's the goal number one. But also we try to do something French with an American twist, like we created an old-fashioned macaron. So it's a macaron with whiskey, a very classic American drink, and a real French macaron. If you say you're an artisan baker, you have to stay an artisan baker, doing the best breads with the best products that you can find. It's a real challenge, and adapting our French recipes to American ingredients was a challenge in the beginning, but now we know exactly how to handle that, and I think it works.